Hello and welcome to this video. I will be showing you a quick overview of the Primavera P6 interface. Once you have signed into Primavera P6, you will see the general startup interface. In the top left hand view, this area here is called the project window. It is the enterprise project structure. It is also called the EPS. And these here highlighted in green are the individual portfolios to organize your projects. So you can usually close a portfolio by selecting the minus sign. You can see the minus sign here, click on it, and that will select the portfolio to close it. And if you want to expand the portfolio, you click on the plus sign in the bottom half of the screen here. If I just pull this thing up, just drag it up a bit, you'll see this area here is called the project detail form. It holds information related to an open project. So you can also decide to show only certain tabs. You can see here we've got several tabs, and if you want to reduce the number of tabs here, you can. For example, I can right click on any of the tabs, right click and click on customize project details, and this is where you can select the tabs you want to show in this project detail window. So for example, I can remove some. If I want to remove that, I'll select that and click on this, and it saves it back there, and that as well, and that as well. So you can always come back here and also add more tabs if you wish to. So I've reduced some of the tabs here just by selecting to remove them from here. So if you want to add more tabs from this available tabs, you can just click on it and click on the plus sign. For example, if I want to add that back, I click on that and click on that arrow, and it will add that back. So once you finish playing around with your tab options, just click OK, and you can see here the number of tabs has reduced based on the selections I made. You can always reopen the tabs and add more if you wish to do so. On the right hand side, this area here is known as the Gantt chart. This basically illustrates the time intervals of the portfolios, the projects, the activities, and so on. So you can always double click in this Gantt chart area to bring a project into view. For example, I can click on that, and you can see here it's highlighted this particular project into view. And you can always open a particular project. Say for example, if I wanted to open this project that is highlighted, I just right click and click on open project. So if I click on open project, it opens up the project. It tells you the name of the project. You can see it's highlighted there, and then it gives you the different options within that. And here the Gantt chart. So if you want to check the time intervals and so on, you can do that in this area. The top left view of this project is known as you can call it the activity table, and the bottom area here is the details form. To bring the activity into view, I can just click on click on this line here. You can see we've got the activity ID. You can change the order of the activity ID. So if you click on any of the activity names, these are activity names, just click on any of them. Say if I click on that, and inside this Gantt chart area, I click on that, you can see here it gives you the activity ID in that kind of order. So you can change the order in which it is just by clicking on this arrow. So you can see I've got 350, 340, 310, 300. I can change the order by just clicking on that, and you can see it reverses it. So we now have 090, 140. So you can change either descending or ascending. You can close out of a particular project just by clicking on File, and there's an option for Close All. It'll ask you, are you sure you want to close this project? Click Yes, and it closes the project. So it returns back to the default. You can see here it says no current project. So it takes you back to the default interface. So that's it for this quick overview of the Oracle Primavera P6 interface. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.